Hi, it's Mr. Pham, and today I'm going to show you how to log on to your Google Classroom at home. The first thing you want to do is log on to open up your Chrome browser. Now, if you have a shared laptop at home, more than likely there's going to be someone else that's logged in. So simply find the circle. It could be an initial or a face of one of your family member. Click on that and go to add another account. From there, click on use another account. And you want to type in your district email. So it'll be your username at hlpnet.net. Click the next button. And this would also be your district password. For most of us, it's our birth date. Once you are logged on, to get to Google Classroom, you can simply click on your waffle as to the left of your initial and find the icon Google Classroom. From here, you should be able to access your teacher's Google Classroom or home page. And you should be able to view all the assignments that have been assigned to you. Once you have completed all these steps, your computer should now memorize your username and password and all the bookmark that's been saved with Sparks Elementary. So next time you log on, it should be a lot easier. So let me close this out and reopen the browser. And I can now move from multiple users and easily access my Google Classroom the next time I decide to log on. Thank you for watching.